Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your phone and cable for Android Auto setup. Your phone must run Android 6, 0 or higher, and have Google Play services. Install or update the Android Auto app from Google Play before you try to connect. Use a high-quality USB-A to USB-C cable about 1.5 meters long to avoid intermittent disconnects. Disable battery saver features that limit background apps. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on the phone for initial detection and next confirm your Ford has Sync 3 and supports Android Auto. Check the Sync 3 software version in Settings and confirm compatibility with Android Auto. Update Sync 3 using the Ford website, the Ford Pass app, or visit your dealer for a firmware install. Download official update files to a FAT32 USB drive if doing it yourself. Use the vehicle USB port and follow on-screen prompts to install updates safely. Restart the car system after the update completes to ensure changes take effect. Now connect and authorize Android Auto on both devices to begin using it. Plug the USB cable into the vehicle USB-A port and your phone, then wait for the phone prompt to appear. Grant on-screen permissions on your phone for Android Auto, contacts, and media access to enable full functionality. On the Sync 3 touchscreen, select the Android Auto icon or app link entry to launch the system. Test voice commands, navigation, and media controls to confirm successful setup before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.